Welcome back to Ecom Excellence Academy, and thank you very much for your responses and your appreciation of the last videos. So today again, I'm here with another episode of the Amazon Mastery course, and today we will discuss about how we can get the payment transaction or whatever you can say is a monthly or weekly statement from the Amazon dashboard. And this is particularly very important if you are living in the country, or you are selling in the country which have is VAT, GST, whatever you can say. If you are selling in like USA, generally there is no VAT, right? So you generally don't bother about, but at least you have to download the statement to check transaction and you pay out, everything is there. But if you are living in you're selling living wherever you are, but you are selling in like Middle East and you have very good sales, then you have to download your transactions and reconcile them, and particularly on the like quarterly basis or even the half yearly basis, whatever the as per government regulation, you have to submit the VAT. So let's go and start with this account. This is a UAE account. You can see this is a United Arab Emirates. So for this, you should go directly into the payment. The first method is directly into payment, and then you can go into here you will see this dashboard, and you want to reconcile or you want to review the last 4 to 6 months, what you can do. But even you, for the monthly basis, you can do your extraction of data. So go to the all statement view, and then you can decide, for example, you want to get invoices from 1st January, so you can go to 1st January, and if you can say like 26th Friday April, and you can go to search. So after this you will find this type of table, and this table is consists of all weekly. The Amazon always gives you 15 days transaction or payouts and charging. So this is all here. So you can see that this is the week first. The last is 12th December to 1st January, and then 1st January to 20 January, and so on. So you can download anything if is available. So you can see in the download section these reports are available, and if the report is not available, you can even request the report. So we can open this and give to, there's many ways you can go along. So first you can go to the view summary. In the summary you can see the typical Amazon dashboard, the payment. Okay, so there's a net proceed. You can see there's a positive net proceed, but sometimes it's a negative with net proceed and you don't know. So you have to be as download these type of reports on frequent basis, so you can see what's going on, because sometimes you have very high PPCA advertisement expanding, and you have sales but you don't know what that. So you should know about what is net proceed. It should be positive and should be more than your ROI, or whatever is what depend on the price of your product is bad. Okay, so this is the statement view. You can see that if you want to print this statement, you can go and print statement. You will print in the PDF, of course. So you will get the yes, you can see the print. So you have the PDF, and as well as you get them. Also you can go if you scroll down, so you can see the view transaction for this period. So you can see the all detail of the transaction of this statement with 15 days. That is we selected 13th April to 27th April. So you can see that the services fee is Amazon charge 0. Then 15 April the Amazon charge 28 dirham services FB inventory storage fee, and there's order payment, there's a 65 dirham and whatever 89 dirham sale and that. So you can also download this. So through this you can see you can find like all statement, You even download your Excel data in the Excel as we did, and you can print on that. So this is all for the today. And if you have any query, any concern or issues regarding this video, regarding how you can get more information, you can contact to E-commerce Excellence Academy, to me, Amir. And if you want to excellence in your Amazon journey, or you want to optimize your store, or you want to start the Amazon selling, you can most welcome to connect with them. E-commerce Excellence Academy, which is contact information in this video. Thank you very much. Bye.